Now 8:10. So Governor Abbott has ordered the arrests of dozens of state Democrats who left Texas in an effort to block a vote in the Texas House. They are trying to prevent any action on a GOP-led effort to redraw congressional districts. Let's talk about the legal ramifications for those lawmakers who have left the state. Senior legal analyst Chris Tritico back with us. Good to see you again.
You bet.
So I know the governor has suggested arrest warrants, has issued arrest warrants. Texas lawmakers, Texas officials here, they don't really have any jurisdiction in Illinois, though. So there's nothing they can really do for those in Illinois, New York, or Massachusetts.
They cannot leave the state to arrest them on these warrants outside of the state of Texas unless the officials in those states agree to arrest them for them, and that's highly unlikely to happen, which is why
Democrat-led states.
That's why they pick those states to go to.
So what can the state do legally to penalize or punish the lawmakers?
Well, they're issuing $500 a day sanctions to them right now, and every day that they're outside of the state while the legislature is in session, they'll be fined $500 every day. Mm-hmm. Now, some very wealthy donors have agreed to pay that for them, so it's not likely to hurt them any. But that's really all that the governor can do to them right now. He has threatened to file what's called a quo warranto suit against them to seek to remove them from office.
Yeah, is that legal?
Yeah, that is a legal proceeding in Texas to remove an elected official and in this case, the allegation would be they abandoned their office, and that'll be a tough, in my view, a difficult day for them to prove.
So there had been discussion from Governor Abbott that some of the lawmakers were using their own maybe campaign funds or anything like that to support their travel. And then we're hearing that actually the Democratic caucus supported them. So legally they can't use campaign funds, but they can use funds from the Democratic caucus.
I believe that if the Democratic caucus is paying it, or if someone else is paying it, I don't think that's illegal. Yeah. But the campaign funds would probably be a difficult, but would be a problem for them.
Legally, anything that Democrats, those traveled, can do in the meantime as they stay wherever they're at right now.
And so as long as they're functioning, I don't think it's a problem. This quo warranto lawsuit, if they file it, they have to prove that they abandoned their office, and the abandonment is a fact question for them to prove at trial. Mm-hmm. And just because you're not in the state of Texas does not mean you're not representing the people you were elected to represent. And that's going to be the difficult day for the governor to prove that they abandoned their office.
Got it. Every day is something new with the story.
That's right.
So we'll see what happens tomorrow with this, but even throughout the day today. Thanks a lot for your expertise.
You bet.